Hello, my name is George, CEO of Ticket.com. As a leading online travel OTA in Indonesia and Southeast Asia, I'm glad to take part to introduce Indonesian to the world and the world to Indonesia. As a frequent traveler myself, domestic and abroad, I've always been amazed by the Indonesian culture and hospitality. This is what makes an even already beautiful place like Borobudur, Labuan Bajo, Danau Toba, Mandalika, Likupang. These are 5 super priorities destinations for Indonesian tourism, and many others even more special. I've been blessed to be able to visit and see the wonders of these places, and even more blessed to be able to enjoy the luxury and hospitality of Plataran properties in these places. In my opinion, Plataran Indonesia is truly an Indonesian icon. I salute my good friend Joshua Marcus, chairman of Plataran Indonesia, for not only the vision, but also the execution to bring these beautiful properties to realities and to promote Indonesian tourism to the next level. Thank you, Plataran, for showing the best side of Indonesian tourism and culture. Please continue the journey. We will be there to support you. May God bless you always. Thank you.